guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to unbox a phone from Globe. Okay, so just a tip guys, if you have a plan sa Globe at it's time na for renewal, usually 2 years contract yung pag meron kang contract sa Globe, 2 years yon. So, if ever man na tapos na yung kontrata mo, nag-expired na siya, continuous pa rin yung billings nun. Unless ipaputol mo, or isa sa mga pwede mong gawin, pwede mo siyang i-upgrade or i-downgrade with a new phone. So, you can upgrade or downgrade every 2 years sa plan mo sa Globe, and then you can select a phone kung ano yung gusto mong phone. Okay? So, yun yung tip ko guys. So, mag-renew kayo every year. So, either upgrade kayo or downgrade para may bago kayong phone every 2 years. Yun. So, kaka-receive lang namin ito today. Ayan. XDE Logistics. So, ang in-order namin ay this one, Samsung A51. So, plan 1499, free na yung phone, no cash out siya. Yun. Okay. So, let's open the box. Yan, ito siya. Yan. Meron siyang seal. Make sure na hindi basag yung seal to make sure na hindi siya binuksan talaga. Yun. So, open na natin yung phone. Anong laman niya sa loob. Okay. Okay. Oh no, nahulog. Oh, malapad. Mahaba siya, oh. Ito siya. Ito yung phone mismo. Mahaba siya. Mas mahaba siya sa iPhone. So, ito siya. May 4 na camera. Or 4 or 5. You know. So, na yung kasama sa box ay may mga accessories siya. So, this is the earphone. Merong earphone. Meron siyang charger. Yung cable niya. And then, yung saksakan ng charger. Ito siya. Okay. Of course, meron tayong this one. And the manual. I think manual to. Ah, it's a casing. May free casing siya. Okay. So, may free casing na siya. Yan o, ayan. So, jelly casing. Transparent. Then, we have the quick start guide. And the warranty card. Ayun. So, let's set up the phone. Meron pa siyang mga plastic. So, make sure guys, natanggalin niyo yung mga plastic niya before you start. Maganda siya. This is black color ng Samsung A51. So, yung mga plastic nito, tanggalin natin. Naramdaman ako kanina. Anyway, later. Ito. May plastic siya dito. Protection niya. Kasi kapag hindi mo siya tinanggal, pag uminit yung phone mo, baka maano to eh. Matunaw to. So, make sure to remove the plastics. Babe? So, nakapaligid sa kanya yung plastic. So, remove lang natin yung plastic, guys. Yan o, ito. Remove mo siya. Yung maliliit na yan. careful lang, baka magasgasan mo yung phone. Meron pa dito isa. Wala na. Okay. So this is it. So i-turn natin. I believe this is the power button. So Samsung Galaxy A51 powered by Android. Okay. So yun guys. Yan, starting Android na siya. By the way, meron ditong note sa globe. Yung paper and andito yung mga information about the handset and so on. Yun guys. Yan, setting up the Samsung Galaxy A51. Okay? Right, so that's it for now, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, bye for now. Bye.